Manufacturing process of metal beam cross barrier. There is a two types of the metal beam cross barrier. First is a W beam cross barrier. Second is a tri beam cross barrier. The first process is a material selection of or procurement. Second is a design engineering like W type or tri beam type. Third is a steel processing. Then shearing. Fourth one punching and drilling, and welding and cutting. Then finally galvanization, and next one is a quality control, and next one is a packing and storage, and the next one is a transportation and installations. If any requirement of the metal beam cross barrier W type and tri type, please contact us 9652998932. Thanks for watching Sandhya Flex.
यह आपका W है।